Hi there, this is Miss Viviana Diaz and welcome to this class, my dear students. Alright, what are we going to do? We are going to revise some vocabulary connected to routines and free time activities, okay? And we are going to learn something new. We are going to talk about future plans, right? Okay, so first time, we are going to do some activities. I have sent you 2 links in order to practice and to revise vocabulary related to routines and free time activities. Remember, take screenshots of your best scores and keep them on your phone in order to show me later or the following class. Okay? Good. And now you have to stop the video here because you have to do the activities, and I want you to do that first before watching the video. Okay, here we are. Okay, what are we going to do? Okay, we are going to talk about plans. That is what we are going to learn here in this lesson. Okay, so what about this weekend? What are you going to do? On Saturday or on Sunday? Are you going to read comics? Are you going to get up late or have a party? What are you going to do? And in order to do that, we have to know why. What do you want to say? Okay? So that is why we are going to use this future to talk about plans, to talk about your intentions, okay, in the future. And in what way? Okay, so this is the structure or the way we are going to form positive sentences. Okay, and this is the way. You have, first of all, the present of the verb to be here on the first column, then going to, and then the action. For example, here's, okay? So, for example, for this pronoun, yes, for the pronoun I, you have to say or you have to use as you have already studied that, okay? I am going to, for example, read comics. She is going to get up late. Or, for example, we are going to have a party this weekend, okay? Remember, if you don't remember about subject pronouns, ask me and I've sent you another link, okay? Remember, these are to form positive sentences for future plans, right? But what about if you want to say sentences negatively? Okay, this is the way, okay? What you have to do to write the verb to be in the negative form, okay? So, for example, just if you are not going to do something, you just say, I'm not going to visit a relative. He isn't going to hang out with friends, or I'm not going to ride my bike, for example, okay? So this is the way you can form either positive sentences or negative sentences, right? And here you have more examples, right? In the positive way or in the negative way, right? So take your time to read those sentences. First group, second group. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, I have sent you a third and the last link to know if you could understand why and when to use this tense, future, okay? So again, you have to keep your best score to show me in class or later, right? Okay, that's all. Bye-bye and see you